What is up, YouTube family? In this video, I'm gonna be going over 3 things not to do when you get paid. So let's say that you just got paid $3,000 on your monthly paycheck. Well, there's 2 ways to think about that. The first way, you could say, how could I turn that $3,000 into $5,000? How could I turn that $3,000 into $10,000? Or you can do what 99% of people and say, okay, I just got paid $3,000, let's go to the Gucci store. A lot of people have the wrong idea and think money is this thing that you actually spend on things you want. And in a sense, that's true, but realistically, wealthy people, millionaires and multimillionaires and beyond, they think of money as a tool to create more money. They think of money as a way to make wealth. And so the next time you get paid, instead of going and spending all of that money, think of that money as a workhorse for you to actually start to make more money. Tip number 2 is don't spend your money on dumb things. And people always come to me, they say, Kevin, I literally have gone to Starbucks every morning, spent $7 on a Frappuccino. I went out to dinner, went out to the bar afterwards, and at the end of the month, I have no money even though I'm working so hard. Well, the reason you have no money is because you drive a BMW and you're only making $2,000 a month and you go out to eat every single day and get Starbucks every morning. People spend their money on such stupid things, and you have to be cognizant and actually be aware how much money you're making and how much money you're spending. And an easy way to do that is to use apps like Mint or to actually create a budget for yourself so you can literally see, oh my gosh, I'm actually spending $1,000 a month eating out or going to Starbucks or doing things that you can't necessarily afford at your current income level. So before you go to Starbucks every morning, remember that you actually have to pay rent and have your car payment and have a cell phone and be able to afford to eat and have shelter, the important things in life. And tip number 3 is don't post on social media a picture of you holding up a bunch of money, because we all know that it's only 100 on the front and the rest of them are $1 bills, and you don't want to be that person who's flaunting all of your money on social media anyways, because all of a sudden you might get a call from a friend or family you haven't talked to in a few years after they see you posting that picture on social media of money. And something that I've learned having created multiple successful businesses is oftentimes people who focus on trying to look rich, in fact, aren't rich themselves. And oftentimes people who actually are rich don't focus on flaunting all of their wealth and money on social media. So that's it, guys. Just 3 quick tips of what not to do when you actually get paid. And I want to give a big shout out to our comment winner. We choose a comment winner every single video. And if you want to be our next comment winner that we're going to give a shout out to on our next video, all you have to do is leave a comment down below that tells me what you do when you get paid. And if you haven't, guys, make sure you tap the like button, tap the little red subscribe button right here, turn on notification bell so that you can be the first person to know every time we release a brand new video. And until next time, guys, happy hustling.